All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Crypto Island. Yep, this is an island in the Bahamas that you can actually own a part of, and everything on there is going to be about cryptocurrency. You got to have cryptocurrency to buy stuff, everything. We're going to go to the website. It's going to be a pretty cool concept. So we're going to check this out. Also, we're going to go over the top 10, 15 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. What's up, what's not up. This is going to be an episode more on Crypto Island. What's going on? I know everybody wants to go to islands, the Bahamas, so this is going to be pretty cool. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Crypto Island. All right, over here, Crypto Island. You know, it's a real island here. Our goal is to buy an island in the Bahamas together with you. Now, you could buy it with Ethereum or BNB. You know, our mission, Crypto Community, is the first and only community-based project that allows people like you and me to co-own an actual private island on the Bahamas. We work with the best industry, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Certex, PancakeSwap, CoinPayment, just to name a few. So the coin on the island is Sizzla. So Sizzla is the actual token of the island. So you could buy it right here on the website. You could buy it with BNB. You can connect and swap it. You convert it. You know, you got 100 and you put that in there and it converts it. If you had 1,000, it would convert it to, so forth and so on. So more stuff here. Revolutionary real estate and NFTs. We encourage businesses, nonprofit organizations, and individuals to join our community. By owning Sizzla, this is the Crypto Island's native token, or by holding any Crypto Island's NFT, you become a community member or a co-owner of Crypto Island, joining an innovative change in a revolutionary real estate forever. Crypto Island aims to be the connected between the communities and projects by providing different utility possibilities and use cases. As a community member of Crypto Island, you earn the right to help and vote on eco-friendly developments of Crypto Island. No matter your holdings are, every member of the community co-owns the island. With no-nonsense tokenomics, investing means you are now an owner of the Crypto Island. The 10% fee ensures the stability, liquidity pool, and a reinsurance cost of living on the island for the whole population. 2% of this goes back to the community as reflection, the size of your holdings. Here we go, the first island in the Bahamas. Now what's the name of the first island? So what's the name of the island? Little Whale Cay. Right here it is, everybody, welcome. Over here to the left, Little Whale Cay is a beautifully fully staffed private island you can rent in the Bahamas, promise an unforgettable tailored vacation, built around you and everything you could wish for on a holiday of a lifetime. So first island right here in the Bahamas. It's going to be pretty exciting, everybody. So, you know, join the Crypto Island DAO, Revolutionary Real Estate, a physical connected NFT. Become a co-owner and join the movement today. You are on the edge of co-owning the world's first decentralized private island. Embrace a new way of living by joining us and becoming a member of the Sizzla movement. Buy now. Now, there's been information published by MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance, Associated Press, just to name a few. So yeah, this is a pretty exciting thing. Crypto Island. There's going to be an island we can co-own with cryptocurrency. I think it's pretty neat, pretty awesome. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, our goal on the channel is to help everybody own some cryptocurrency. With Crypto Island, you can maybe even own a part of the island in the Bahamas, all with cryptocurrency. Pretty freaking cool. All right, let's head over to the top 10, top 15 of the CoinMarketCap. All right, at number 15, we got crypto.com. Now, crypto.com is up 19% in the last 7 days. So in 7 days, it's up 19%. It's down in the last 24 hours. But again, we're looking at the last 7 days for like a week. Matic is up 25% in the last 7 days. It's also up 8.5% in 24 hours. You know, it's traded at about $2.80. Shiba and Dogecoin are at 13 and 12. Shiba is at number 13. It's not a nice uptick of 3% in the last 24 hours. It's also up 22% in the last 7 days. So Shiba's on the up. Dogecoin at number 12 is up 11% in the last 7 days. And in the last 24 hours, it's up about 1%. Avalanche is at $115. It's up about 6% in 7 days. So Polkadot's at number 10, up 10% in the last 24 hours, but a huge 24% in the last 7 days. Traded at about $31. Now Luna's been going crazy. It's been around $100 to $98.81. It's up 32% in the last 7 days. XRP is up 10% in the last 7 days. Cardano's up 15% in the last 7 days, so you got a lot going on there. Solana's up 9% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin's up about 2%, traded at $546. Now we got Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum's at number 2. It's a little over $4,000 right now, and it's up about 3% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin's over 50,000 at the time of this filming, and about 6% uptick in the last 7 days. The global market cap is at $2.38 trillion. A little increase of not 0.5%, about a 0.31% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, so Crypto Island, and there's the top 15. Hey, did you guys hear that Mac Jones, the quarterback for the Patriots, he decided, you know how quarterbacks give their offensive linemen cars and this and that? Well, he decided to give them cryptocurrency. That's right. The quarterback for the Patriots decided to gift cryptocurrency to the offensive linemen. I think that's pretty neat. Also, you got crypto.com. It's now renamed, and its color has changed from red to blue. So if you're in LA and you drive by the old Staples Center, it doesn't say Staples Center anymore. It says crypto.com, which is interesting. So this is a 20-year deal. So we're going to hear about crypto.com. Also, don't forget that FTX and crypto.com is going to spend millions of dollars on the Super Bowl coming up in February. So we're going to hear all of the stuff about cryptocurrency. So Crypto Island, crypto.com, all kinds of good stuff going on. Tom Brady today on Sunday, what he's getting into. He's getting into cryptocurrency. He's doing a trade. What's he trading? He's trading cryptocurrency. He threw a touchdown pass, gave a fan a Bitcoin in the stands about a month and a half ago. All kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. So let's head back over to Crypto Island, everybody. Now right here, how to buy Sizzla.
Buying Crypto Island token on an iOS device may seem impossible with the removal of dApps from Trust Wallet, but with this simple workaround, you can join the Crypto Island family. So, how to get started? First, you will need to download the Trust Wallet app. Once you have a wallet, you will need BNB to convert it into Sizzla. This is possible at a crypto exchange. In your Trust Wallet, you click on the Manage button in the top right corner. Then paste the contract of Sizzla to add the tokens to your wallet. Then go ahead and open your Safari browser. Go to pancakeswap.finance and in the top right corner hit Connect and select Wallet Connect. Then connect to your Trust Wallet account. After that, tap Select a Currency and paste the contract of Sizzla. The contract of Sizzla will be provided in the video description. Now choose the amount of BNB that you would like to swap into Sizzla. Once you're all set, click on the settings to adjust your slippage to 11%. If you receive an error message at this step, please check the fact page on our website. With the purchase now being complete, you can sit back and watch the amount of tokens that you own go up over time due to the reflections. Crypto Island, freedom to co-own and co-build.
All right, over here, that's pretty awesome. That shows you how you can actually get some cryptocurrency and turn it into Crypto Island. So a little good tutorial there. Hey, I want to show you this. You can shop for some merchandise on Crypto Island. Crypto Island's merchandise. They got bikinis you can buy. You got shirts you can get. You know, I co-own an island. You got some shorts here. You know, view all. You know, see, if you want to get some actual stuff when you go to the island, tank tops and everything else, you can do that. Pretty awesome. So again, Crypto Island. Our goal is to buy an island in the Bahamas together. And I think it's a pretty good concept. So if you're thinking about co-owning an island, no sense not doing it with Crypto Island. So there's our little video on Crypto Island. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. You know, this may be an island that I may want to fly out in the next few months and check it out and stuff like that. So, hey, everybody, it's Sunday, cryptocurrency. Tom Brady's going to be pumping it all day long. So, hey, click right here to see our most recent video, and have a fantastic day today.